Hello everyone and welcome to the KMTRADERS channel. So we're looking at US dollar to the Japanese yen. We just want to look at the previous price action and where, how far we've come. So I'm looking at these two levels in the market really closely. As previously we were stuck in this range and, we had that huge break. We didn't get a retest of this level. So, price had obviously came back in and we're not looking at any potential support here. So for me, this is a very indecisive part. So I'm seeing this as a range bound market, and we're looking at two potential options here to take a buy or a sell from. Okay, so I'm looking at this point in the market to take a buy. So again, we're just waiting for closure on the 4-hour for a push to the upside, the pullback, a good retest. So we need to make sure that you're seeing some wick rejections, some key signs in the market that price is failing to push lower. And once we find that, I want to see momentum kick back in, and we could be testing this high or this zone again. So that would give us the the confidence to hold this trade for the long run. Could be just simple target of that zone. So just roughly above 109. So that is our buying position, nothing too complex, and obviously we need to execute a lot of patience here. So with this continuated momentum to the downside, this could just be a potential pullback. All we're looking for is that break in the market and that continuation to the downside. So this is the second scenario that I'm talking about here. And it's important that we have that closure to the downside before we have that pullback into our monthly key level and our reversal zone as well. So another key confluence to put together. This is just a level in the market where we believe that this is a borderline resistance / support zone. So what I mean by this is previously price has reacted to this and it is failed to either, it's not a clear support or resistance, it's both. So in times in the market it will act as a support, and in times in the market it will act as resistance. So that's what I essentially mean. So we're looking to see if price is able to pull back into the structure level, find that halt in the market, pause here. And it's important to look at how price action is again in this point. And we're just noticing, we just want to see some wick rejections on a smaller time frame or on a 4-hour time frame, the better. And that would indicate that pressure in the market is switching, and we just want to find that momentum. And once we do, a selling option would be very much a probable scenario, and that probability of us shorting and the market going lower would be great. So we could just simply target a nice round figure of 105. And watch this progressively go lower and lower. So essentially that's all I wanted to cover on this pair. We were in a trend. It did look like it was back in a trending market, but again we're stuck. We came back in, so price is not 100% ready to move just as yet. So that's my opinion on what I'm looking for this week. So yeah, so that's about it for this video. So if you're new to this channel or you're a new trader, we have a trading group that you can join. That link is in the description below. We just give you some news updates, we give you chart analysis and also our chart and predictions. So this can actually help you learn a few things here and there, just the way how we analyze, and who knows, it can actually help you out a lot. So like I said, highly recommend you to do so. If you want to join it, then feel free to do. If you have a question for us, I'm more than happy to help anyone. Just message us on our Instagram, which is @KMTRADERS, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. And that's pretty much it, guys. So make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel for all of our future analysis videos, and that'll be all. So thank you for listening, and we'll see you all in the next one.